All right, you guys, so we are going to be meal planning our week for the week of May 17th through May 23rd. We're going to go through Monday through Sunday, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then we are also going to be doing our grocery haul. So grab a piece of paper, grab a piece of pen, and you can follow along with me. And we are going to be using the new weekly planner that I have. So for breakfast this whole week, we have eggs, hash browns, bacon, sausage, and Conecuh sausage in our refrigerator that we can use. So my plan is for Monday, Thursday, and Fridays are the days that I am actually working. So I will be most likely boiling some hard-boiled eggs and then eating a hash brown on the way to work. The other days that I am off, I plan on having either a hash brown on top of an egg and some kind of protein with it as well, besides the eggs. So we are covered for breakfast. For lunch this week, on the days that I am at work and also at the house, I'm just going to do very, very simple. I am having sandwiches with chips and fruit. And with that meal, I only need to get sandwich bread, which we use sourdough bread, and then also the chips. And we already have fruit. We have a ton of fruit, you guys. So we definitely do not need to get fruit. We have watermelon, grapefruit, pears, apples. I also have strawberries in my garden that I need to harvest. So we definitely are good on fruit. So for dinners this week, on Sunday, we are going to have garlic bread pizza. And that is actually a really good meal. I think my husband saw it on TikTok maybe. But you just get a loaf of garlic bread. You can make it homemade. You can buy it from the store. And you get whatever toppings, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni is what we use. And that is actually what's going to be on the grocery list, is the pepperoni, the pizza sauce, and the mozzarella cheese. And we already have the garlic bread in the refrigerator because we are not going to go through that whole loaf. So that is what is for Sunday. For Monday, we literally have 2 chicken patties left in our freezer. So we're actually going to be making some hot and spicy chicken patty sandwiches. And like I said, we have 2 patties left, and then we have 3 hamburger buns. So we are going to use that up, and we do not need to get anything for that meal. We will have a side of sweet potato fries that we got from Costco. And then for Tuesday, we are going to be doing pork chops, cabbage, and mac and cheese. And then Wednesday, we're going to have leftovers. Thursday is cowboy butter chicken from TikTok. So we're going to have green beans and also probably potatoes or something on the side. Friday is going to be a salmon and veggie. Saturday is a mother-daughter day. We have massages that we're going to be going to. And that is it. So what I haven't mentioned in the grocery list, we are going to be getting Fairlife milk, sliced cheese, mozzarella cheese. We're going to have steak. We're going to pick some of that up because Jared wants to meal prep some flank steak. We need pizza sauce, cowboy butter seasoning, bread, dog food, and carpet cleaner. So that is our list. Like I said, I'm pretty sure that I'm going to end up doing something else that I don't need. But that is it. We're going to rip our list and we are going to get to the store. So stay tuned for the next video.